na slave de duva, cuddly nDragan foin cloch. Coinian siad ruin na shanre, I crí Dorchadas foir. Las sule mar las racha fura, foin Gaelic focal na foim. Eisten gweithlen anail giom per finchkel de trid a nige. Beneath the shadow of dark mountains, the dragons sleep beneath the stone. They guard the secrets of ancient ages, deep within the heart of night. Their eyes glow like frozen embers under a moon that speaks no word. The wind still listens to their breathing, carrying legends through the dark. Dorchadas nDragan, harnessed barefully at the darkness of the dragons, above the silent sky. They fly where ancient shadows lie. Oh, Dorchadas nDragan, clochna shiriuchta, darkness of the dragons, calling from afar. Coinian she of time, na shandoman, guardians of forgotten stars. Voroi si kail jan dreochta, tal org forsar an tal fur, canan a haben skeelta, fi skythain and storm bore. In forests lost to ancient magic, their footprints rest upon the earth. The rivers sing their endless stories beneath the wings of gathering storms. Oh, dragini na hiya, claimade hen a tine gyali. Taishin har na slave de kyoite go krina shiuriachta.